looking for a project that we could work with the students for the new Welsh Bacc qualification. We came up with the idea of the students being able to use their digital skills with people who had poor digital literacy. We knew something about digital literacy and the importance of having good digital literacy skills to older people maybe who couldn't do shopping online, and how they were losing out on money by not being able to make savings like that. And we knew that our students would be able to help them. So we tried to get it off the ground last year, but we struggled to find useful places and venues where the students could go out and actually work with people with poor digital literacy skills. But we made a few contacts, and I actually spoke to Matt from Digital Communities Wales, and that was something that we were able to pick up then in time for this year and actually combine what we wanted to do with the students for their Welsh Bacc qualification with what he was doing already with the Digital Heroes volunteer programme.
The Digital Heroes has taken a bit of a life of its own, so the idea is to create a nation of digital heroes. So that could be anyone really. We're concentrating on younger people generally with the programme, but that could be anyone. So helping someone to get online for the first time, you could just help one person, or you could come to a library or go to a sheltered scheme, or just go and help people just to do those basic things for the first time. So we want to roll it out. It's going to be a Welsh Bacc challenge, so that will encourage people that are doing the Welsh Bacc across Wales to get involved and to become a digital hero.
It's pretty fun so far because we get to help people that struggle. Anyone who needs to use the internet, it's great for them to be able to learn, so I enjoy actually helping them get online. Everything these days is computers, so by having the knowledge to use a computer, you're going to be able to do anything from shopping to saving themselves a load of money.
I become a digital hero because I just like helping people, and it was an opportunity to help people, and I found the opportunity good for me and my class to help people who had the chance to go on the computers like we have. I help most people with the emails. They didn't know how to like respond back, or like if they want to speak to their kids and stuff like that, they didn't know how to do, so I just helped them most with emails.
We were really pleased that the students were able to get real experience working with people that they never met before in an unfamiliar environment. So they gained confidence from that. They were able to actually demonstrate that they had the skills that they could then pass on to other people who didn't have those skills. And I think they did get a lot of confidence from that. And it was a realistic project. It wasn't in a set-up classroom environment. So it was meaningful to them, and they gained a lot from that.
I would encourage other people to be a digital hero because like helping everyone, and it's good for your CV as well, and it shows that you're willing to help and could be good for your later jobs as well.